Hello guys. In order to make the project more interesting, I made some changes. So now the app recognizes uh, the fruit on the photo. So this is pineapple, banana, orange, apple. Improved app contains machine learning model, as you can see here. Uh, it gives us answer uh, about his confidence, what is on the photo. It can be pineapple, banana, and orange. Uh, this part of code is same as before, but I added this part in order to make bitmap mutable. We need mutable bitmap in order to extract information about width and height. So this is same as before, but uh, uh, before providing this method bitmap, we need to scale it before, so it should match this size, so 32 by 32. Classify image method uh, returns string. We need to provide a composable function as callback, and it's reason why you see composable here. I used a column and two texts inside it. Image is classified as first text, and actual answer is pineapple or banana or orange. Uh, this part is same as before. It's important to know how to import model. It's easy. Just go new, other, and TensorFlow. Here you can choose whatever you want. So I hope it's now more interesting than before. Machine learning is cool, actually. You can train model to recognize whatever you want. This is just a simple example. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.